Hi everyone, today date 21st November 2021 Sunday. We're going to analyze the gold chart for next week. If you're not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe so that you will not miss out my analysis every week. So you can see the market movement based on the levels I share. Alright, let's take a look on the gold chart. So the gold chart is it's currently retracing. The last week was a good move and now it is in retrace, so we should wait and see how it reacts. It's supposed to be getting support at Kijun-san level 1817. So the levels should be, these are my levels, so I'm expecting should get support here and move, but currently it's in retrace trend. Alright, thank you, see you next week, happy trading.